If you run a business today, chances are you already have more tools than you ever plan to use. A CRM, chat apps, forms, email tools, ad platforms. And yet, leads still fall through the cracks. Not because the tools are bad, but because the system was never designed as a flow. Most businesses accidentally build lead management as a pile of apps instead of a clear path every inquiry follows. In this video, we'll break down what a lead system actually is, why complexity makes things worse, and how thinking in flows, not software, changes everything. The most common mistake businesses make is adding tools to fix problems caused by the lack of a system. Someone misses a follow-up, so a new app is added. Messages get scattered, so another inbox is introduced. Over time, the business ends up with multiple tools and no clear process. Each app works on its own, but nothing connects end to end. That's not a lead system. That's fragmentation. A lead system isn't a CRM. It isn't chat automation. It isn't a form builder. Those are components. The system is the flow between them. If you remove the tools and still can't explain where a lead comes from, where it goes next, and what action happens after, then the system never existed. Software supports a flow. It does not replace one. Leads usually don't vanish. They get stuck between steps. An inquiry comes in, a reply is sent, then things get busy. Hours pass, sometimes days. The breakdown almost always happens between conversation and follow-up. That's where speed, clarity, and ownership matter most, and where many businesses silently lose deals. A functional lead system can be explained in one simple flow. Inquiry, conversation, capture, follow-up, outcome. Everything else exists to support this. When businesses skip this and jump straight into software, complexity increases and adoption drops. Simple systems don't look impressive, but they work under pressure. If your lead system depends on someone remembering what to do next, it will eventually fail. Not because people are careless, but because business is chaotic. Meetings happen, messages overlap, interruptions are constant. A real system removes guesswork. It doesn't rely on perfect memory. This is where many CRMs go wrong. They become places where data is stored, not actions are driven. Leads are logged, fields are filled, but no one knows what to do next. A CRM should guide behavior, not just record history. Without a clear flow, it becomes a digital filing cabinet. The most effective businesses don't start with software. They start with questions. Where do inquiries come from? Where should they land? Who owns the follow-up? What's the next action? Once that flow is clear, tools become easier to choose and easier to use. If there's one takeaway from this video, it's this. A lead system is not a pile of apps. It's a flow. When the flow is clear, tools feel simpler, teams adopt them naturally, and leads stop slipping through the cracks. This is why lead management setup should come before ads, content, or scaling. Fix the flow first, then add volume. If you want to see how a simple lead system is designed and set up in practice, using real tools like CRMs and chat automation, you can learn more about lead management setup at Spark3sixty. Link is in the description.